Apple just pulled off the impossible, a cheap laptop that actually works, from photo editing to web browsing, gaming, and 4K video editing, all with an iPhone processor and 8 gigs of RAM. How are they doing this? You're expecting it to just fail, and it's not failing. How is it possible?
Let's unbox this.
All right, here it is. We have the MacBook Neo, and I cannot wait to open this thing. Now, it is a downgrade for me, of course, but let's get this opened. From my MacBook Air, this is going to be a downgrade, but look at this. Wow. Now, I got Indigo because I just thought everybody else would be getting yellow, but I plan on keeping this. So I saw this color and I'm like, yeah, that's the color I would probably gravitate towards. Now, I know that everybody will be getting the citrus. Here we go. Yep. Hello. Hello. With some paper. Oh, wow. Ooh, this color. I like this color. Look at that. It's beautiful. Wow. It's gorgeous. Looks really good. Exactly what I thought. I was afraid it's going to be too dark. This is just perfect. Hello, MacBook Neo. And of course, it's color coordinated with the MacBook. So we've got the blue here, and it's going to tell you everything about it. Now, it doesn't say anything about the speed of the USB-Cs. It just says external display and, you know, accessories and charging. And this one just says accessories and charging. So you can only use the display on the first port, you know, the one in the back. And then the second port is just USB-C 2, which, you know, who knows? Maybe most people don't care about that, but I care about that. We have a USB-C cable. Okay, so look at that cable. That's pretty long. And then it does come with a charging brick. So this is only 20 watts. I might not even take the wrapping off because now apparently you're only going to be able to charge this at 20 watt speed. So, all right, wow, look at this. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. We have 2 ports and the headphone jack that, who's going to use a headphone jack? Who? I don't even use it anymore. I just use my AirPods, you know? Oh, look at that keyboard. Oh, that keyboard is color coordinated with the, oh, nice. I heard about that. I knew about that, but in person, this is really cool. This looks great. I'm impressed. This is my unboxing of the MacBook Neo. Ooh, look at there, Mac. Hello.
Hey, this is Rick. Welcome to Vid Tech with Rick. Well, this is a somber day for the PC world because they're gone now. How are they going to compete with this? How are they going to compete with this? For those cheap Chromebooks or whatever, the crap they were selling, how are they going to compete? This is a beautiful Mac. Okay, so I've had time to work with this and I've worked with the limitations of this too. This is just a fantastic piece of tech. It's a fantastic computer. You can run games, you can edit photos. I was editing photos, not a problem at all. Didn't struggle, didn't lag. I don't know why, because even my M4 MacBook Air seems to kind of, it's kind of shaky at times, but this was great. And I think maybe it's because you're expecting it to just fail, and it's not failing. It's going great, and it's looking great, and I'm just amazed and in shock that this is as good as it is. Anyway, this is just one of Apple's best products ever. I can't believe it. I love this color. I love this color. I love how thin and light this is. I love the capability of it. I'm just shocked. I shouldn't be, but I'm shocked that Apple is doing this. I mean, it's incredible. This is such a great deal for us. For $5.99 or $4.99 if you're a student. I mean, the keyboard feels great. I like the keyboard. The trackpad feels great. I like the trackpad. When I plug it into a monitor, it looks great on the monitor. It looks fantastic. It runs 4K at 60 Hertz. When I plug in a dongle that runs HDMI and USB-C 3, so I can plug in a fast hard drive and have it plugged into the monitor. Wow, it's looking great. I'm shocked. I can't believe it. I can totally replace. It does everything I needed to do. I check videos for a living, and it works great. It doesn't lag. The Wi-Fi is great. The USB-C 3 port, only one USB-C 3 port. The other one I can charge. There's no downsides here. There's just no downsides. And it's freaking me out. quite frankly, it's freaking me out because there just is nothing to compromise about. It's an incredible machine. Thank you, Apple. The Touch ID, well, I've got an Apple Watch that, so this is the base model. It only has 256 storage. Well, if that's a problem. So far, it hasn't been a problem. Even on my M4 MacBook Air had 256 storage. Never a problem, never ran out of storage because I have, iCloud, and I also have external hard drives if I have, big video files or anything like that. The lack of Touch ID, not a problem. Apple Watch, it will totally unlock your computer. It will, if you go to someplace where you need to pay for something, it will prompt you and you just tap it. I also have a Touch ID keyboard that works fantastic. Not everybody has one, but it was like 85 bucks on Amazon, renewed. And I got a Magic keyboard that does everything the Touch ID would do. You push it and it pays for things. So there's really no compromises for me on this machine. There's workarounds for all of it. And it's just, I'm shocked. I'm really shocked. This is a great piece of tech. Most kids today use iPhones, and to get a Mac to pair it with, once you get hooked into the Apple ecosystem, forget it. There's no going back. Forget about it. The watch, the Mac, the phone. I mean, it's a trifecta of AirPods. If you're on the fence about getting a MacBook Neo, just get it. Just get it, try it. Apple has a great return policy, so just turn it back in if you don't like it. But you can edit photo. I mean, what do you do? What would you do with a portable laptop? Anyway, look at the webcam, works great. I'm not even facing the lights and it works great. It just shouldn't be this good is what I'm saying. It shouldn't be this good, but it is. And it's from Apple and it's called the MacBook Neo. Pick one up today. I don't think you'll be disappointed at all. Anyway, a lot of people are going to be introduced to Apple with this machine, and good for them. Good for Apple. Thank you, Apple, for doing this. This is an incredible machine. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.